Welcome into lesson 38, everyone. Today we are discussing minor triads. So the difference between a major triad and a minor triad at its most basic level, major triads sound happy and minor triads sound sad. And the reason for that is the third scale degree. So if we look here, we have a C major triad, we have a C, E, and a G with the 1, 3, and the 5. So that sounds happy because of this bottom interval, which is a major third. But to get our minor triad, we're going to take that E and lower it by a half step, and that becomes E flat. So we're lowering by a half step. And now this interval is not a major third, but a minor third. Okay, so if we look at our piano, we have our C, E, and G. But if we lower that E natural to an E flat, that gives us the minor third. Okay, so if we look here at this triad almost as an arpeggio spread out. So this is our C major, C, E, and G. We have a major third and a minor third, and those intervals together create our perfect fifth down here. So the interval between the C and the G give us the perfect fifth. Okay, so now if we flip these, we turn this E into an E flat, the intervals switch. So we have a minor third between the C and the E flat, and then a major third between the E flat and the G. But the big interval between the C and the G doesn't change. Still a perfect fifth through there. All right, so let's take a look at this chord. So we have a major triad, a G major triad right here, and we need to turn this into a G minor triad. So we'll still write our second G triad here. And then remember, the only difference between the major and the minor triads are the third gets lowered a half step. So from B, lower that a half step, B natural becomes B flat. So G minor. If you have bad handwriting like I do, put an M with a line over top of that to signal a minor chord. So we have a D flat major triad, D flat, F, A flat. And again, we need to lower the third a half step. So stack in thirds, snowman. Lower the F to an F flat. Half step lower, D flat, F flat, A flat. D flat minor. Okay, listening to how those sound. So our D flat major, D flat, F, A flat. Lower the F to an F flat. And we have our minor triad.